This is how you tell which network provider your phone is locked to, or if it's locked at all. First, pop into the settings, go down to General, and then About. You'll see some carrier information in here. Mine, for example, here says carrier Kudo, so that's what I'm currently using, but am I locked to that? It doesn't show that in here, but we can use the IMEI code to find out if we're locked to Kudo. So tap and hold to copy this code. If you don't care whether you're locked or not, you now know what your carrier is, so you can stop here. But if you want to know if you're locked, follow along for the rest of this video. Go to Safari, go to Google, type in IMEI check, and I use IMEIcheck.com most often. It gives you the most information for free, but there's ads. You have to ignore those. Scroll down till you get to the IMEI field. Tap 2 times to get the option to paste, and then we have to remove these spaces. There's one right there. And then there's another one at the beginning. Yours might have 2, might have less, I'm not sure. I've only ever seen 2, but I haven't seen all IMEI numbers in the world. Now we need to get the last 2 digits, the 6 and the 7, because those are cut off because of the 2 spaces. So let's add the 6 and 7 back in. Your 2 numbers will be different. Tap on Check IMEI. We'll find out if we're locked to that network provider, Kudo in my case, or whether the phone is unlocked and we can take it wherever we want. Here it shows SIM lock unlocked. That means that this phone does not have a carrier lock or a SIM lock, so you can take this phone, if you were to buy it used, to any carrier and buy a plan, and then that phone can be used on that carrier. This video right here shows you how to get back tons of storage space on your iPhone, potentially. So if you like storage space and you want more of it, check out this video right here. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.